Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. Happy Sunday, budget friends. We're going to go ahead and work on our bills and weekly expenses. I went ahead and did a cash unstuffing so I know what to actually keep here at home. Ultimately, it will be reallocating those funds, but to take to the bank. Everything's taken care of, all the bills that need to be paid, all of the money that needed to be deposited, because rent is not being paid in the current month. It is a little bit ahead, so I just put that money into a savings account to make sure that those funds are there when I'm ready to pay my bill for my rent. I was trying to see if there was anything else I needed to speak with you about. So between leaving the funds in my account that need to be left there to make actual payments on bills, depositing the money into my bank account or my rent since it is ahead. Oh, laundry. I leave my laundry money in my account every week, so that's nothing new. I was trying to think there. I was like, oh, there's 3 things I need to let them know. Hopefully all of that makes sense and we can jump into getting our budget set up for what we're going to actually do today. It's not a lot of cash. When I did that unstuffing, I thought to turn on the camera, but unstuffings, for whatever reason, they're a mess for me because my bills come out at different times in the month, usually. And then there's a few that have to come out at the end of the month so they can be paid on time at the beginning of the next month, if that makes sense. So I did get my binder as a gift. It was in my Amazon wish list, and one of my subscribers did purchase it for me. Let me grab a marker. I think I want to write in a marker today. One moment. So I grabbed a green marker, kind of, hopefully it shows up green on camera. At the time you're seeing this, this is my July 31st paycheck, but by the time you're seeing this, happy August. Yay! My birthday is on August 18th, so I'm going to try to enjoy this month. I think we get caught up in just the mundane, repetitive life. I love a good routine, and I usually don't break from that routine. It's just something about knowing that that's the way I do things and it works. But I do want to celebrate me. I am turning 45 on August 18th, and I'm very, very excited about turning 45. Some people, of course they say, you don't look 45, and I don't know if that's true or not. I feel like we all age and we're all going with the flow of life. But the other thing is, well, do you feel different? And I'm like, I don't know if I feel different in the way I think people are asking it. But I will say the difference from who I was looking back over the years and who I am today is that today and hopefully future me will continue to hold on to this part of what I am enjoying about being in my 40s is the desire to please me. I've been such a people pleaser that everybody else would come first. Everybody else would come first, and then I'm left with nothing. The exhaustion and sadness and emptiness and not being fulfilled. And I thought to myself at one point in time, and I think a lot of people go through it, where I was just like, I need to pour into myself the way I pour into other people. And it changed my life completely, where I will make choices and live in those choices to choose me. And I will find a way to enjoy living my life the way I see it. It's not glamorous. It's not big. It's not over the top. It's not fancy. I live in a small apartment with my children. I drive a very, very old clunker. I don't have a glamorous life. I have a job that is part-time. I make pretty decent money an hour. But I let God do the rest. Let God do the rest. And I think that was the thing. It's like trying to please the people of this world, and then I was left empty. So now I think I've changed in a way where I like that when I wake up in the morning, I still am choosing me and my solace, my peace, my happiness, and my joy, and I just let God do the rest. You know, that's just it. I think nothing spectacular happening in terms of big changes or anything like that at 45, but I think I can smile and be proud of me. Happy birthday to anyone celebrating a birthday in the month of August. I know there's quite a few of you. If you are, go ahead and leave it in the comments so we can say happy birthday. Very, very exciting. Shout out to all the August babies. Let me grab my, okay, I have my glue stick. Probably time for a new one, but we're not gonna judge. And I grabbed my little girl, and I say girl because just an animated image of what, something that looks like me. I've been enjoying using these. I just make them on ChatGPT. But this one, she has on headphones. She's like singing. I don't know. And super duper cute. And let's go ahead. I'm just going to put today's date, and then we're going to write out my numbers. And of course, oh gosh, guys, I always have the intention to be more prepared. I really do. But things happen. It's like, okay, I really need to sit down and I need to record right now. I need time to edit. I have to figure out the rest later. So hopefully everything goes okay. I did mention today is the last paycheck of July, so farewell, July. Ooh, it went quick, actually. I feel like July went quick. We were just celebrating the 4th of July, and now we're moving on to my birthday. Anyway, so I did mention I did a cash unstuffing. So this should be pretty smooth. I'm going to write out my bills that I'm actually going to be cash stuffing, and then my expenses, and then we'll come back and chat. For my bills, my phone is getting $9, car insurance getting $11, credit card number 1 getting $11, credit card number 2 getting $26, mommy, I guess kiddo spending 2 getting $10, gas getting $30, and household getting $10. So that's 50. Is that 57? Looks like 57. So we should have at least $107, and then whatever's left over is going to savings. Hopefully we will come back for a Freebie Friday. That's what I've been working on. But let me count up the cash that I have here. 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 107. That's my bills. I'm just going to put that here so I can remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And then we have $22, which will be going to my savings challenges. And then we just put Freebie Friday. $22. So that gives me a total of $129 that I'm stuffing today, which is not a lot of money. But what I did was any bills that were going to be cash stuffed today, I went ahead and left that money in the bank. So then that way, whatever needed to be paid today can be paid. And let me see. Oh yeah, And then because my rent savings account is in a different bank, I have to make sure that that is put away as well. So we have $129 that we're working with today. We're gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna set this off to the side so I can reference it. And I kind of know what I'm doing. Hopefully. All right, let's get started with bills. Most of them are empty. I did some cash unstuffing along the way. So rent, nothing. Utilities, nothing. So my rent and my utilities actually, and my internet go directly to my leasing office. So that's why I try to make sure all of that is in the account. So when I make that payment, everything's good to go. Let's see, electric, that was paid separately, but nothing today. Internet we already spoke about. Okay, so phone getting $9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, now in total we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Should I pull these ones? I'm going to pull them just in case. I'm not sure I need them. I didn't think this through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just in case. And maybe we can do, should we do a 10? Nah. Okay, that's good. That's good. So hopefully next week we'll be back to stuffing on camera every single bill. I notice I do a lot better with making sure whatever's in my account at the time for payment is in there, and I do much better with the structure of pulling the money from my bank account and then putting it back instead of not doing that. I make huge mistakes with my bank account when I have money in it, and I was trying to decide if it was better to cash stuff or if it was better to put money into a completely separate account that I don't have a card for. So that money would just go in there and then I just wouldn't touch it. But I kind of like this idea. I like cash stuffing. I like seeing the cash. I like being able to see what I'm actually doing. So we have $11 going into car insurance. All right, subscriptions, that one is going to be paid actually on the 1st as well. So credit card number 1, $11. That's all we have. And credit card number 2, we are putting $26 today. 25, 26. Okay. Now we have 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, $52. Perfect. Now we'll move on to my expenses. And I think we don't have enough change for, I guess we could do ones. Should we do the ones? Because I'll need to swap it out at some point anyway to do my Freebie Friday. Yeah, let's just try these, see what we got for the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. I'm just gonna put 5 in mommy and then 5 in my kiddos. I'm thinking we're actually going to, Dad's taking the family, myself included, to see Spider-Man. I'm not certain when, but he did mention we're going to go see Spider-Man. So I was thinking might be a good idea to have a couple dollars for some snacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the kiddos. So, yeah. If you've already gone to see it, let me know how it was. I haven't even seen the preview for it, so there's that. Then we have $30 going into gas. Let's see, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Make a mess over here, which is good. did get a couple dollars from door dashing. So when I did DoorDash, I put some money in gas. And so I don't know if DoorDash is going to be a thing I'm going to continue on doing. I have a very old car, but she is amazing. And I don't want to run her into the ground trying to chase money. But there will be times where I will need to get behind the wheel and try to make a couple bucks. And this past week, it helped out quite a bit. All right, household getting $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then that's the $22 that we have for Freebie Friday. And I probably will, I think what I'll do is I'll unstuff these dollars and then we'll work on a Freebie Friday maybe. I don't know what I'm going to do. But anywho. Alright, so we've gone ahead and worked on our budget, which I will put back into my binder. Happy birthday to anyone celebrating a birthday in August. Yay! We did our weekly expenses, our bills, and then that's the cash for my Freebie Friday Savings Challenge. So if I do come across any other money this week, that will be something that I focus on. I have some other Savings Challenge binders set up, ready to go. They just need some money. They just need me to roll some dice and throw some money in them. So I don't know what's going to happen in terms of like going forward. I'm not even certain every single Friday we'll be seeing a Freebie Friday video, but I'm going to try. At the very least, I'm going to try. So we'll see how all of that goes. That's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing my next video. Bye, guys.